In this example, we are asked to solve for x, and I know that this problem in particular can look a little intimidating. First, we have this variable out here with no coefficient. Remember, anytime you have a variable that doesn't have a coefficient, it's implied that the coefficient is 1. Then we have this negative here right up against these parentheses. That is really hiding a -1 that we need to distribute. So we're going to start with that and distribute a -1 times 3x, which will make -3x, and then a -1 times 5, which will make a -5. Then I can bring down a 1x and an equals -18. After that, we want to go ahead and combine like terms. So the like terms that I have here are the 1x and the -3x. That will make -2x, and then we can bring down the -5 and the equals -18. Now that we've simplified everything, we can go ahead and start to solve this equation. We want to start to solve it by inversing the constant on the side with the variable. The constant on the side with the variable is this -5, and we can inverse it using a +5 and add it to both sides. The constants will then cancel out and leave us with a -2x on the left and -13. Last but not least, we want to inverse the coefficient. The coefficient here is -2, and it is multiplying on the variable, so we can inverse the multiplication with division, and we're going to divide by that coefficient. The coefficients will then cancel and leave us with x equals negative over negative will give us a positive, and 13 over 2 cannot be simplified or reduced. So we're just going to leave it as a +13 over 2.